The morning light is cutting through the heavy gray. Another page of calendar is torn away. I used to count the bruises that I couldn't hide, locked inside the fortress of my foolish pride. But there's a quiet freedom when the walls come down, a peaceful silence walking through this empty town. We weave our lives in patterns that we can't control, trying to patch the holes inside a breathless soul. But you can't hurt a shadow when the night arrives. You cannot steal the light that in the dark survives. I'm letting go of everything I try to hold, turning the leaden winter into burning gold. The lines are blurring in the fading spark. We are just travelers moving through the dark. Let it flow, let the river run into the nothingness. I choose to fall, where there are no more boundaries and no more walls. If I am vacancy, I am completely free. No shifting tides can shake the center of me. I look at the sky, nothing left to break, nothing left to lose. It's not an ending when the river meets the sea. It's just the wide open space where we are meant to be. No longer holding on to what the world has defined, leaving the heavy baggage of the past behind. The canvas is wiped clean under the midnight sun. The battle is finished and the peace has begun. Into the nothingness I softly dive, more than I ever was when I was alive. If I am empty, I am fully whole, out of the prison of a fractured soul, drifting away. No more surface for the pain to choose. The skin is gone, the air is bright, the space is wide. No more oceans left inside for me to hide. You cannot shatter what is found its inner peace into the beautiful zero, where the heartbeat sings. I am finally light. Into the nothingness I choose to fall, where there are no more boundaries and no more walls. If I am vacancy, I am completely free. No shifting tides can shake the center of me. Nothing left to break, nothing left to lose. Into the quiet night music fade into the peace that the silence